Some 40s luxury, unique specialty and classics. Look at this beauty, 1940 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special Sedan. V8 powered, 346 cubic inches underneath the hood. That's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, and take a look at the bright work and chrome up front on this one. Still pictures, they can be checked out at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Dual mounted spares. A dark charcoal metallic with a silver roof, and then of course the red pinstriping to break it up. Just elegant, no doubt about that. Newer Coker, wide white walls, red wheels, Cadillac wheel covers. Paint has a nice shine to it. You may find a real small blemish here or there. I noticed there's a little bit of a touch up there, but overall paint looks good in this car. Nice shine to it. What a fun car for rolling into your local cruise-ins, roll-ins, local shows. We got the keys over there on the driver's side, ready to start this up, let you hear it run. Take a peek underneath the hood, but first I want you to remember we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. That chrome in the rear. This does have a new battery, a newer fuel pump. Mentioned newer tires. Brakes are like new at all 4 corners. And I mentioned earlier, we're going to start it up, let you hear it run, take a peek underneath the hood. We'll even take this one for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll be able to see the underside pics, interior, engine bay, trunk. And if you like Cadillacs, no matter what year, maybe you like just luxury vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. These videos are uploaded daily. When the videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase. And you can do that online or right off our showroom floor if you make it see us in person. If you take a peek at that rear seat, bet you it's nice and spacious back here. With a footrest for the passengers. That fabric looks good, armrest. Imagine rolling around in the rear of one of these, 1940. You had it going on. No doubt about that. Listen how that door closes. Sounds a little different these days. How about the front? Door panels. Just elegant interior too. A little bit of wear down here in the seating surface I noticed earlier. So there's a few little spots of wear on the interior. Grab these keys so we can get this started. Pretty stock looking dash. All right, keys in, turned on. Did have the radio power up, but I did not get any sound out of it. All right, 3-speed manual, of course. We're gonna push the clutch and make sure we're good to go. Key is turned on. Push the starter. That's all it takes. That V8 comes to life. We're gonna make sure we're in neutral. Doesn't get away from us. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Pretty smooth. Not real loud either, pretty quiet actually. All right, let me slip up to the front. Let's get a little peek underneath this hood. And again, 346 cubic inch V8. So take a look at that, and then stick around to the very end. Take this for a drive. All right, hood popped. Of course, the hood release is within the hood ornament itself. Always cool. There we go. Listen to it purr. for a single carb. Pretty smooth running. What a beauty. 1940 Cadillac Fleetwood 60 Special Sedan. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take your time looking through all the still pics. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. And that number to call, 507-386-1726.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1940 Cadillac Fleetwood. This is a four-door, beautiful Cadillac. Just think about 1940, well, all the things that were happening in 1940. This car was there and looking about this good. This is a 3-on-the-tree manual transmission, but as all Cadillacs really are, it's very easy to shift, very smooth, works as it should. This car starts easily, purrs right away. Our speedometer is working as it should. Fuel gauge is showing full. The oil pressure is about 40 to 45 psi. Battery is showing a little over half on the gauge. These are all the factory gauges that are working. Temperature gauge, about a third of the way up. That looks good as well. Sounding good, sounding strong. Going down the road, you can see the cover to the spare tires on the side, the fenders up front, and the driver's side headlight bucket. All those curves. Such great styling in these cars. Nice looking bench seat interior. Fold down armrest in the back. Go down to second for the circle here. Brakes are working well. Speaking of the art on these cars, the hood ornament. Another beautiful Cadillac hood ornament. Luxury car from 1940. Cadillac Fleetwood. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.